Hello everyone. So the MiniLD 71 ended last week and I created this little game called Prez where you play the president and you collect the following American flags. And it is a nice little game. It kept score. You can move left and right. But there's a couple of changes I still wanted to make to this game. This blue background is just so plain. I did a quick test earlier tonight and found out I can copy and paste from GIMP, which I think is really cool, into YYCHR. So I'm going to try to put a little background to this game, make it a little bit more interesting. So the competition is officially over, although these really aren't graded or rated or anything. But so this can be a post-compo entry. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to do this quick and dirty. So open up all my regular programs, CMD, and yeah, this is a work night for me, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time, maybe, hopefully an hour tops doing this. LD Smith projects. I would also like to add a title screen to this. That's one other change I would like to add. So I need my folder. Need it for YYCHR. Let's see, I think adding the background should be a fairly simple change, or fairly simple to add that new feature. And project, I got so many folders. And this is these are all my games. Probably about 90% of them I created for Ludum Dare and the mini Ludum Dares. Ton of games that I've created. So, yeah, I need tools, YYCHR, YYCHR-EXE, there it is. So I'm going to go in, I'm pretty sure I checked in, committed, and pushed my last build, so I don't have to worry about making backups or anything, which is nice. So Prez CHR, that contains all my graphics files. So the background graphics are here. That's one lesson that I learned last time. You got two separate pages, one for your foreground and one for your background. So I don't know how big I want the White House, but I'm going to see if I can just go to Google. And these images are going to be so compressed that I don't think anybody's going to yell about copyright claims. And I don't even think anybody can claim copyright on a picture of the White House. White House. Images. And we just want one. It'd be nice if I had one without a tree in the picture. Do they not have a picture of the White House without trees in front? Does there have to be a tree in? Oh, here's one like at the wintertime. You can get a picture with that. Well, now here's one without a tree, but they got the stupid water fountain. This looks like this is about the best one without a tree. Without the tree with leaves. View image. That's a pretty good picture right there. Want to copy. So if I come down here, then I open GIMP. File, new, what do I want this to be? It's going to be very, very small. Something like 64 by 64. I think it's 240 is the total number of lines. 320 by 240. So if I do 120, that'd be more than enough. Whoa, come on. So I'm going to do 320 by 120. Okay. So I tried this earlier. So I can just like take my brush and do like that. I don't even have to save this. Select it all, copy, and edit, paste. So there it is right there. It's already pasted in. So this was the one thing that I couldn't do in Linux. I couldn't go from GIMP and copy and paste into YYCHR. But that's still huge. I wasn't really expecting that. So each of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 8 times 4, 32. So 64 would be 2 of these boxes. Whoa. So image, canvas size, say 64, and make this 128. Resize all layers, resize. So copy this, and now I need to, I wonder if I just undo, okay, paste. That's still, okay, so I think it's exactly 128 wide. So even if your screen is larger than 128, you can still only have 128 pixels in this page, the way it's laid out in this image editor. Which, if you look at sprite sheets for NES games, the tiles are all jumbled up, but this makes it easier just to have them consecutive for an image. So I need a 128 by 64. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm going to copy, edit, paste. Oh no! Edit, paste is new. So I guess the question is, do I want all of this or just a little bit? I'm wondering if this is going to work out okay. I don't know. The tree's going to be in there too. Oh well. So this is going to have that look like an old NES game where they got a scanned image and you only see the 3 colors, and it looks kind of wanky, but it's okay because it's an NES game. Okay, so image, scale, 64. That's, well, no, I need 128. 128 by 49. So I could actually come down a little bit more with this to do the full 64. That's okay. So yeah, this is going to look really, really weird. So I can actually select all of that. Let's see if I can paste it in there. So I'm going to have some left over. I don't know. Oops. Actually, I want to do it this way and get all of this and all of this. So image, canvas size, 128. Oh, I want an image, scale, image, 128, scale. So now I can do the 64 this way. 65, 64. I want to see what this does. Okay, file. I don't even need to save. Copy, and I think this is just going to puke. Yeah, it's just going to look like a mess. You can kind of see a little bit of an outline there. Surprised you can actually see this many colors with this. Yeah, that's perfect. 2 pages, or whatever these are. 2 rows of 4 tiles each. Okay. So I'm gonna go back here, file. I'm gonna go ahead and save. LD Smith, projects, and go down to Prez, and call this White House. .xcf. So here's the tricky part, is reducing this down to 4 or maybe 3 colors. Really want to do 3 colors and still make it look recognizable. So I think I can do that with color balance and do this with the levels so you can see where the significant parts of this picture are. Pull this maybe I don't want to do that. I don't know. I can always use this as a guide and then paint my own. I'd rather not have to do that. Tools, colors. I thought there was a way to pick the number of colors. Colorize? No, that's one that I usually use that for doing backgrounds and things. Desaturate levels. Maybe it's under image. Yeah, mode. Indexed. Maximum number of colors. Don't want 3. Color dithering. Let's see what this does. Yeah, so that kind of looks like a mess right there. Select all. C. But I bet it will actually look the same in YYCHR. So yeah, there you can kind of see what it looks like over there. But we need it looking a little bit better than that. One thing that I can do, I can trace around this. Okay, select none. Okay. Can just go really quickly around this. Just to get rid of the sky, because we know we want the sky to be the background color. This doesn't have to be perfect or anything. Go up and over and around and down and over and up and around and up and over and up and over and over and over and down and out. I think that's good enough. Pull it back around here, close it up, and image or layer, transparency, add alpha. So now we got a background, file, save, and I can make that background whatever color I want to. But yeah, this is interesting. So I need to make this like the greens could all be one color. I guess one thing I could do, I could image to grayscale, colors, but you know the grass should be a different color. Colorize, can pull the saturation down to 0. Oh, I still got that selected. Colorize, saturation to 0. Okay. Color. See, I don't know if this is going to work or not. I'm kind of just testing now. So color. So now I need to do the image mode. Indexed. Let's do 4 colors. Custom. Dithering. Convert. Still doesn't look great, but I think that looks better than what I had. I don't know. It might not look better. I don't know if that looks better or not. Copy. Paste. I think that looks a little bit better. But I think I need to play around with the palette a little bit. Make it the third palette. So I want this first color to be... See, that's part of the problem. I need to have the transparency on its own color. It is nice that it set it to the first index. Because the sky is merging with this lighter color. So there's 1, 2, so there's 4. So there's actually one extra color in here, I think. Z. Image, layer, no, image, mode, indexed. Yeah, that's way too many colors. 3. Convert. Let's see. And paste that. Okay, so that looks a little bit better, but it's got the transparency on the wrong. Transparency should be the first index. I don't know how to change that. The order of the indices. Image mode. Assign color profile? No. Mode indexed. But you can't see what the palette is. Google how to see index palette in GIMP. Index palette dialog. Oh, here it is. Color map. Windows dockable dialogs color map. That's exactly what I need. Windows dockable dialogs color map. There it is. There's my 1, 2, 3. Well, so it doesn't have my transparency color. So I'm going to make that something wild like red or something. And layers, new layer, okay. Edit, fill, down. So I need another index. Oh, I don't know if I can just press plus. Add current, edit this color. Okay, let's go back. Colors. No, image mode, RGB. Make this blue. Edit, fill with foreground. I'm going to go ahead and merge down. Colors, no, image, mode, indexed. 4 colors. Convert. So now I got blue on the first index, black, gray, and lighter gray. So I could actually, I wonder if I can pull this up. Okay, I can't edit it. Oh, here we go. I can edit it here. Okay, so now it's looking a little bit wider. Actually, that looks pretty good. I could, like, touch it up. Like, it could use some touch up around here. I could probably play with the color balance and get a better picture right here. But I'm going to go with this for now. There we go. Oh no, why is it mixing up the index? It's not good. That is not good. I can deal. That's not good. Why is it assigning? The problem is assigning the first index to the second value here. Do I have a dropper? Paint. I could paint fill. Oh, this is not good. Oh, man. Why does it have this mixed up? 2, 1, 0. I don't know if I can. Oh, no, I can't. Dang it. Can I edit the position? Rearrange. That's what I need. See, I'm learning stuff tonight. I didn't know you could do all this. There we go. So that one should be there. Oh, this is confusing. So the first one should be in the first position, yeah. The one that's in position 1 should be really position 0, I believe. Copy, paste. That's not doing anything. So apparently it's just ignoring whatever I have set in the color map. Okay. So I think what I need to do is make this totally black. It's doing some rearranging of the palette. This is going to be tricky because I only have 4 colors. So I need to replace the blue with black. But I need to still keep the original black. So I think I need a new color. I need a new color. There we go. So this needs to be like red or something. Okay. Oh, now I got way too many colors. I need to delete this one. I don't need this color. I want to delete this color. Rearrange. Can just delete this. Cancel. Cancel. Colors. Image. Okay. Well, that's okay. Going to select everything that's black. Fill with foreground. So that's red. Now everything that's blue, fill with black. So I don't care about the other three colors. The one that's important is the background. I just need to make sure the background is in the first position. Because I think that's what uses the... Oh, man. What? I don't even know what color that is. So we're not using the gray color. It's like indexing this backwards for some reason. Oh, man. Maybe I just need to color, image, mode, indexed. I need to get rid of these. So that's black. Select red. Make red. Fill that with that. And I need to delete these. Edit. Rearrange. Color. Image mode. RGB. Image mode. Indexed. 4 colors. Convert. Okay. See what it does now. Same thing. So I'm wondering if it's doing the index from like the position of the pixels that's in this, or I'm not sure how it's doing this pasting. Optimize color paste. Oh, this is what I need. Oh, that's interesting right there. Kono, something, something, wah, something, 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 des. Okay, well, that's a good outline right there. Because the White House is going to be the same color as the sky, which isn't good. I mean, I could fix it right here. Well, I don't have a color select here. That's the problem. Don't know why it's doing this. Save. And close all. Discard that. File, open White House. Copy. Paste. Yeah, it's still not doing anything. Yeah, I need the sky to be blue. Why is that so difficult? Edit. Oh man, I didn't need that. Rearrange. Sky is 1. What if I put the sky out here? Okay. I don't think changing this color map here has any effect on the paste. No. Changing that color map has no effect at all. So when I'm doing the paste, it must be converting on... I don't know how it's doing the conversion here. How it's assigning this pal. Here's a pal there. Pal set. Palette. That's interesting. Pal set. It's very close. Info. Index mode false. I don't know how it's indexing this when it pulls it in. So it didn't like black. File. Is there like a revert? Open. Oops. White House. So now I'm back to my 4 colors. So it's got to be doing this by select all these. I guess I can just edit it here. Red. Okay. All. Copy. It's got to be doing this by color. Oh, there we go. So I think the lightest color is the first index. So I need the sky to be white. So this is FF, FF, FF. Okay. Copy. Aha! There we go. So that's it. The lightest color gets set to the first index when you paste. And I guess the second lightest is the next index, and then all the way down to the 4th index. So I just didn't know what pasting algorithm they were using. But that actually looks pretty darn good right there. So I'm going to file, save. So the important thing is that this is on the ground. And I think I can play around with the, well, can I do that? The palettes down here. No, I don't know. It'd be nice if I could make some of this green for this palette. Like if I could change that out for a greenish color. That way it isn't so bland. Or maybe this one could be green. This one can be gray. Oh, that doesn't look too bad. So, yeah, so this is 4. So each 4 can be on its own palette. So I could have a different palette for these top ones than the bottom ones. So I could actually make those little ones right there a different one. But then I'm using one of my background palettes, which is a little bit expensive. I kind of like that right there. So I got 1, 2. I could actually use more colors up here, I think. I mean, you could go back and touch this up. Make the windows a little bit more better looking. Do I want to do that right now? Just touch it up a little bit. I'll save this file, save as White House 2. And so now I'm on my 4 color index. So I can go in here, just touch it up a little bit. Whoa, that's a big, need that to be 1 pixel. Just make these windows look a little bit more uniform. And there we go. I don't know how this will look. I could put like little outlines around the windows. Like, just like despeckle this. I could come in here and get my other, like say blue, go around the outlines of these windows, give it a little bit of a highlight. But then you kind of lose this rough scanned image look that you've had, that I've had. It starts looking a little bit cartoony, I think, when you start touching this up. But yeah, just make the edges, I think, a little bit more pronounced. Makes it look a little bit better. Get rid of some of these little speckles. In here. It's like manual despeckling. I think this was that tree that kept getting in the way. Just touching this up a little bit. Can kind of connect these right here. Make this a little bit more pronounced. Then I can also, if I still have this bit, yeah, I can copy this. Copy. Then I can just kind of use this as a guide. Edit. Paste as new image. See if I can pull that out. Can't pull that out, huh? Okay, discard. So here's the original, just to give me a guide. So yeah, this should come all the way down to over here. This should come all the way down to over here. Connect these lines. So I still got some, like another color to play with pretty much. Leave that up there. So you got the 3 windows there. So you got like 4 big columns, and the columns are like completely missing. So you can kind of see where they're supposed to be. But then you got this waterfall right here that's kind of eating up a color. But you can kind of see that column right here. So I'm thinking I'm gonna just come down here, fill this in, fill that in. I think this is a column, maybe. So yeah, the picture gives you a good starting guide, but then you gotta kind of touch it up yourself. That looks pretty good. Come down here. Be nice if this just came straight across right there. And get this color and come straight across. Get that speckles out. Bring this down, bring this down. Then I can come down here, make these columns a little bit wider. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Because the important thing is the columns, I think. But maybe we can just have 2 right there. But they need to be a little bit uniform. I think that's the important thing. Then we got the grass and everything up front. Then you got the windows here. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Despeckle this over here. Take the speckles out. What is this over on this side? Yeah, that's really nothing. I can take this out. Go over these. Get rid of that. Bring this across. And I think I want this same line over here to come across. Yeah, so it's looking pretty good right there. I don't know if I want that line on the top as well. This looks kind of Yankee right here. I want to get rid of this. Get rid of that. Take this window color, pull it over. It'd be nice if these are all the same size. And now we got the trees in the front. So they're okay if they're a little bit speckly, but we don't need black, the other specklies in with it. I'm going to get rid of these 2 speckles. Get rid of that one. And bring this one down. Fill these in. Fill those in. Bring this one across. And want to make all this continuous. So yeah, I'm not an expert pixel artist or anything, but I know how to just make things look a little bit better, filling in gaps and despeckling and things like that. See, that looks really jagged right there, so I think I'm going to just come across there and fill that in right there. Put one there. And fill this. And I think I'm going to go ahead and make this a little bit more uniform. Pull this across. Pull this over. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect or anything, but I think that's a little bit speckly, but I guess it's okay. So I think she looks pretty good. I can see the preview up there in the little icon, the GIMP icon in the tab. Yeah, so that looks a little bit cleaner than what it was before. There's still that one little speckle, but maybe that makes it a little bit different. I don't know. I like that. File, save. So now we need to actually put this in the game. So that's the next part. I didn't intend to spend a ton of time doing this, but I'm happy with how that turned out. Took me a little while to figure out the indexing. So this should be fairly simple. Hopefully. Every time I say that, it ends up being 10 times harder than I expect. But my FCUMX file, open, Prez. So there's the game right there. So I already had the background written. That's what's going to make this a little bit easier. So I go to my Prez ASM. And so here's like where the ground is, right here. So each one of these is a row pixels. So I'm going to go to YYCHR and look at the index. So this is 50. So we're going to go 50 to 5F. But I think I want to start out with the ground on the bottom. So this is C0, C1. So just to see where we are. C0, this is going to be a little bit of a pain. C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, C9, CA, CB, CC, CD, CE, CF. So I think two of these together makes one row. Well, maybe not. Make file recent Prez. Oh no. See, I gotta tell it which palette to use. So I want to use, I can just use this green palette for now, then change it. It'll be the greenhouse, not greenhouse gases. Oh, I still don't see it. Where is it? No, what's going on? Should start seeing. Oh, where's my controller? I should see something. Something's not loading correctly. It's not loading attribute C. Am I telling it to use the right page? Attribute 3, load attributes loop 3. Oh man, why isn't it loading? Okay. So I'm going to take these, comment these out. Semicolon is the comment in assembly. Dot, oh crud. Dot db. Save, assemble. Wow, didn't do. Am I even editing the right thing? Save, assemble, file. Okay, I'm not editing the right thing or something's not compiling. I may be using like the temp. Yeah, so I downloaded this after I posted it to verify. Okay, so now I see it. I was loading the wrong build of this. So this should be 4, 0. Okay, so now I should be able to put these back. Save. Make sure you're running the right build. Okay, so now I see a little bit. But really, this should be in the center. So, yeah, that's a bit of a problem. How many is this? One, I guess it's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I think it reads by bytes. So I think I can just do 4 of these dB. Just do that, and do this. So if it reads by bytes, it doesn't matter how many ways I break it up. It's not like an array or something. File, recent, Prez. Yeah, there we go. That looks decent. So I'm going to copy 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do 4. 1, 2. Oh crap. 2, 3, 4. So do my. So this is caps lock. Go ahead. B B B B B B B. B B B B B B B B B. I could have done a replace on the C's, but I guess that's what I'll do next time. Search, replace. I'm gonna replace C with A. In selection, replace all. But now you got to go here and fix the ones that it. A, B, A, C. I think that's right. But it gets trickier as you go. Edit, replace, or search, replace C with 9. In selection all. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 98, 9B, 9C. Search, replace. Oh, I don't need the D, B with it. Search, replace. Someone replace C with 8. In selection, replace all. So I need to change this to 8C. So yeah, that's all I did there. Save. Make. File. Load the right one. Oh, I'm starting to see it. That is so cool. See, I just wish it went across the whole screen, but oh well. That's so cool! He's in front of the White House! Okay. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be 6, 7, 8. So I think I just need 3 more. 1, 2, 3. So I want to replace, search, replace C with 7, replace all, search, replace C with 6, replace all, and then search, replace C with 5, replace all, and change these to C's. I guess that's the faster way to do it. File, save, reassemble, file, recent. Hey, it's the White House. I wish there was like a way to for this to come off a little bit. Like make a little triangle so it doesn't look so angular right there. I can work with that. So I need to fix the color palette. Background palette. So I'll use the third one. So here's where we get YYCHR and enter those here. So that's 3C, 20, 1A, and 00? Yeah, 00. Let's see, 20 should be completely wide. It's not completely wide, it's pretty close. So I need to change these to use the third palette. So this is 01, or no, this is the 012, palette index 2. So this will be, I can just replace. So I want to get, oh crud. Search, replace, in selection, I want 0101, 0101 with 10101010. Replace all. Okay. I don't know if it got all those. Okay. Save, make, file, recent. Hey, there we go. Looks pretty good. Yay. He's collecting fly. Oh no, what do we have going on up here at the top? Don't know why it's doing that at the top. Something with the first row. Why is it doing that? I don't understand. It's got something to do with the attributes. Huh. It's got those little dots right there. I don't know why. Don't know why there's that one row. Make, file, recent, press. Yeah, it's got that one row right there. Of like 0, or I don't know what tile that is. What tile is that? Doot, doot, doot. It's like something rolling over. I don't know. Really need to have it order the score rights to the background layer, not the sprite layer. Don't know what that is. Background 3. Yeah, I don't know why. So I'm gonna put the first tile, see if that changes it. It may be like overflowing and wrapping around or something. No, that doesn't appear to do anything. I don't think. I don't know why. That's doing that. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8. Yeah, definitely. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah, that's right. Is this pushing the whole thing down? What did it look like before? Yeah, it looks the same. Okay, I'm gonna set the attributes back. Maybe I messed up on one of the attributes. I don't know. Save. Make. So that looks right. So something with how I changed these messed it up. Zero and zero and zero. All I did was change it to 3. Or 2. 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. File, save, make, file, recent, Prez. I don't know why it's doing that. Okay. I was gonna try to get the guy to run around. That may be too much to do tonight. It's 12:40 right now. It'd be nice if there was some clouds, but I don't know why. What if I've made all these zeros? Save, make, file, Prez. So that got rid of the first one. So why is that reading from attribute 3? Attribute 3. Here's attribute. Loop 2. I don't know why it's reading from 3. Load attribute loop 3, loop 3, loop 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 2, attribute loop, okay. I don't understand why. Something's getting hosed up here. Maybe I need to fix these, I don't know. Maybe it doesn't like the 3 blocks of words, I don't know. Ah, crud. Dollar. Eight. .db. Oops. Caps off. It goes up to 57. .db 58. Then add these. Okay. Comma. Then drop these down. Control X. Paste these in here. Bring these up. Delete this. Cut that. Paste it in here. Oh, maybe this is off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that should be right. Cut this. Paste it here. Comma. Cut. Paste. Cut. Paste. Cut. Paste. Bring this one up. Comma. Delete this. Cut. Paste it down here. Okay. Save. Make. Reset. Prez. Yeah, the same thing. I didn't think that would do anything. I don't understand this. And why? Oh, well, yeah, so I guess this is setting that, which isn't being used. File, recent, Prez. That is bizarre. It's only 2 tiles. Attribute 3. Let me do like this one. Save. File. It's not changing the color. Something's going wrong here. What if I just put in all of these? Save, make, file. Okay, that's sort of what I expected. Oh, it's using the wrong... It's using the sprite layer and not the background. Those are, I think those are... Is that the foreground or background? Don't know which palette that is. Oh no, that is the background palette. No, that's the foreground palette, I think. YYCHR. What is 36? $36 is a red. So it's using palette 0. As I expect. Oh man. C. Oh, maybe I do have an additional color. One, two, three. No, I have 4 colors on a palette. Well, I got the background. Got 3, 6. And I got 15. That's that reddish color. And I got 3F. 3F. Then 21. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. So if I change it to the first palette, background 3, here's attributes. Wonder if it's supposed to be the 4th palette. Make file Prez. That looks fine. I guess I just need to bring up that Nerdy Nights. Nerdy Nights. I think it's like week 6. Okay, why am I doing this wrong? 0, 1, 2, 3. Zero, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2 isn't used, 3. It must be hitting that limit or something where you can't have more than... No, 16 by 16 area can use more than 4 colors. So the question mark and the block cannot use the greens in the palette. So for some reason it's trying to loop around or something. I don't think I'm going to figure it out tonight. It's okay. Search. Replace. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Replace all. Save. Make. File. recent. I don't know why it does this at the top. That's puzzling. Is it reading in too many different attributes? I don't know why it would be getting attributes from down here. And I'm not even using this little light green. So it's almost like I have too many defined here. Or something. I wonder if I can change the color. I want to make it drastically different so I know where it's coming from. So I got 3C, which is sky. I'm going to save this off. Then I'm going to make it like red. 26. Let's say 16. And 06. Save. Make. So now it's all red. That actually doesn't look too bad. But why is that changing this top row? That makes no sense. I guess I'm just reading too many attributes. It's looping around or something. So this is 1, 2 rows. I got. Look at that. That one's messed up, but I'm gonna change that one on when I was dinking around with it. Copyright. There's the copyright text. Yeah, messed that up. Should be 41. Save. File. Prez. Okay, fix that. So, how many is that? I think that's the problem. Because I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here I got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I don't need a full another row of attributes. Then I need to cut the attribute reader short for 4. 10. So this needs to be 8. 16. Cut it from 16 to 8. File. Recent. No, no, it's red now. Oh my goodness. That's wild. That's very interesting. Does this even need... What if I don't even load any attributes? Attribute 4. What if I load attribute 3? What happens? File. That's what I expect right there. If I load attribute 1 or 0, file, recent, so that's that weird color I never did use. So for some reason, this first row is using the attributes of my White House thingy here. I don't know why. And it's slightly changing the tiles up here. I don't know why it's doing that. Really bothers me too. Oh, it's not using that. Well, where is it getting that attribute? So this should use the same as my White House. That's, oh, well, look at that up there. Actually increase the number of tiles up there. What if I don't load attribute for it all? Oh, well, I never do store this LDX0 in anything. X. Increment X. Load X0. Okay, that's right. 16. I want to read 16 bytes. The last one I only want to read 8 bytes. What if I compare 1? Okay. So I read 1 byte of the attribute loop. It still doesn't explain that first thing of tiles up there. Store 200. I don't understand that. Hey. What if I do 7? So that should leave the last one wrong. Yeah, that's what I expected. So 8. Somewhere I'm trying to write out another thing of tiles. And I might have been trying to like write out the score or something. I wonder what that score display is. Game loop. $0200. Yeah. Oh yeah. Is this where I'm doing it? Seems like I was trying to write the score to the background layer. T60. That's interesting. But now it's red and not green. I don't know why it's doing that. So if I go to back, oh, well, I did put a 1 right there. Let me put a 1 right here too. Save, make, file, recent press. So that's not doing anything. Where's YYCHR? Yeah, that should put his head back there or something. That first loop's out of whack or something. No. Yeah, because this is... I think this is the background layer. So I need a... I want to put a 0 there, then that would be 10. 10. Save, make, file, Prez. Huh. Yeah, there's my T0s. But this one starts a row below. Oh, I bet this is this wrapping around somehow. That's messed up. That's messed up. Yeah, because I can see one part of that right there. So I don't understand why the first background layer row isn't aligned at the top. It's like it scrolled down a little bit when it shouldn't be. I don't think I'm going to solve this tonight. What's interesting is it was green, now it's red. Background 4, attributes, palettes. It's like, did I change anything here? See, I don't need this. I wonder if I can just change this to all 3 Fs. 36 is the blue color, isn't it? I wonder if it's going to be all white. Oh, no, it's black. So where does it get the background palette color? That's crazy. I don't know where it gets the blue for the background. That's 3F, 3C, TC, 3C, 1C. Now if I change this, change this to all 3Fs. Oops. Okay, that's expected. 3F. Is that the like the bad color that shouldn't be used? Oh no. Make that all 3Fs. Save. File. So that made the whole background palette black. Now what if I... Oh, there's my White House. Yay! I guess I want to save these. Save. Save. So let's get red. 15. Just want to change that to red. Nothing. Nothing. $15. Okay, there's the reds. But it ignores the first value. Still trying to figure out how it determines which color to use for the background. Is it this 21? 2. I guess that's it. So this right here controls the whole shebang. So 2A right here. That should make it all green. Save. And the others it just ignores. Okay, so that one, that's very important value right there. I don't know why that line is at the top. File. I wonder if I could read fewer out of the background loop. I don't know. Starts at 0 and goes to 0. Maybe I'm reading too many and I'm overriding something else up here. Don't know. It seems like I'm still reading the same number of bytes out of. Actually, I'm reading fewer because I cut out the second row of attributes. But for some reason, changing this has got this all out of whack. Changing this to 2. Attribute. Maybe the most difficult thing to understand. Yeah, I can see that. Two, 3, C0. See, look at this. This has 1, 2, 3 colors. 1, 2, 3 colors. 1, 2, 3. It only has 2 colors. So my White House has 1, 2, 3 colors. But to make this interesting, I could have that like a different shade of green, I believe. Maybe. Or I could have it blue. But blue bushes would seem weird. Let's try 3B. One A. Oops. It's one that. Yes, the third one. 1A. 1A. Let's make it 3B. Save. Symbol. Hey. A little bit different. But now this thing up here is always black. Makes no sense. Okay, I think I'm done. File. I wonder if I try this in a different emulator, what it will do. Do I have any? I don't have any other emulators. I've got SNES emulators. Oh well. Try it in another different emulator later, but CEUX. Open Prez. Oh no! Oh, that's probably that stupid temp one that I keep opening. I need to get rid of that. I was going to do the title screen. I never got around to that. Yeah, I'm not doing that tonight. Maybe later. Yay. Catch the flags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think these need to be closer together. Okay, that's fine. Save. Okay, I guess I'll bundle this up and load it up. Thanks everyone for watching.